Nothing defines socio-cultural trends in India as films do. Our films and film-watching habits have over the years succinctly portrayed how the nation thinks and reacts, whether we are in a happy mood or an angry one. Bollywood has inspired many people to follow its lead in terms of fashion, both in theme parties and daily life. Here are some of the memorable ones that you will definitely be able to relate to. Here comes Chulbul Pandey of Bollywood. He took the world by storm. Everything about Salman Khan is fascinating. His Robin Hood nature, sarcastic comments, lame jokes, shameless flirting, and of course his Ray-Ban aviators. Only Salman Khan could tuck his aviator on his back and look cool with it. And only Salman could make it a trend. Aamir Khan is a royalty indeed. Also referred to as Bollywood's Mr. Perfectionist, the PK star is a fantastic actor who goes to any extent in making his act the best one. Aamir blew everyone away with his avatar for Ghajini. He acquired 8-pack abs, giving the other actors a run for their money. His semi-bald look with a cut mark again became a trend-setting feature. Another look, but one that's totally different. This time Ranbir chose a different avatar, with his jacket being the only exception. The detailing on this ensemble is minimal, with one of the unique designs of his jacket adding a break. This outfit depends on its perfect cuts, fit and classic style, and it wins hands down because of it. Less is more, and this ensemble is a perfect example of it. Actor, director and singer Farhan Akhtar was the heartthrob of the nation even before the movie was released. The trailers had the crowd up and running, men growing their curls and shopping for headbands all through the country. He looks comfortable in his own skin and yet doesn't bat an eyelid when it comes to going the extra mile and sporting drastically different looks intermittently. Nice! He was the street smart, the unabashed womanizer, and never will I fall in love Akash with his striking goatee. Next you know, the men of India are all sporting their casual looks with clean-shaven faces but a sporty goatee shape just right. The goatee was perhaps his most trend-setting look. What do you think? Much as we'd not like to comment on this one, the famous Tere Naam hairstyle was picked up by masses like free cakes. Salman's huge fan following had a lot to do with this. This love story of epic tragic proportions started out with possibly Salman's worst look yet. Although India's admiration for all things Salu Bhai does could easily be seen by the way this hairstyle took off across the country. We all had this Mr. Nice and Miss Happy t-shirt rave going on when Ranbir Kapoor first spotted one in his young adult flick. He had it going then with smirked up logos and catchy taglines, and soon, without knowing it, all of us had a bunch of our favorites lined up in the wardrobe. Winning the Debutant of the year 2000, Bollywood's hottest hunk Hrithik Roshan stole 1 million hearts with his first movie Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Raj, the chic London boy trying to woo a damsel in distress, set the mark with his rimless glasses all the way to the end. Does he look sexy? Let us know. Amitabh Bachchan clearly stole the show in this one. He made the audience sit on the very edge of their chairs, tears rolling down sometimes, or singing along during Shava Shava. Big B's impeccable style yet again made itself known in the band gala suits and quickly became one of the most impressive styles in formal Indian wear. When Yash Chopra came up with another of his classic love stories, we were all eagerly awaiting the release date. But what we didn't expect was a Shah Rukh Khan sweeping over the wardrobes of an entire generation of men with his woolen polo neck sweaters wrapped lazily around his shoulders in colors that made us want to fall in love, hai na?